We're basically going to capture more recycling by rolling these bins out all across the isle, basically, to try and capture more of that stuff for recycling.
Hello, welcome to another edition of Climate Yarns. I'm joined by Bryden today to speak about all things electrical recycling down at the dump. So Bryden, can you tell us about this new pink bins that are going to be distributed across Shetland?
Yeah, well basically we've been recycling electrical goods here for a long time in Shetland, and it's been quite successful. Folk have taken their electrical items here to the Grimsby site. We're basically going to capture more recycling by rolling these bins out all across the isle, basically, to try and capture more of that stuff for recycling.
So what kind of electrical goods are coming to the dump, and what kind of things can we recycle?
Oh, we get absolutely everything comes to the dump. So basically anything with a plug we can recycle, and we send it away to a company down south called CCL that dispose of all of our electrical recycling items. Yeah, so the bins that we're putting out, it's more to capture the smaller electrical items, like your toasters, kettles, that kind of thing. Yeah.
So Bryden, what about bulky items like this here? What are we doing with that?
So like the white goods and that obviously can't fit into the bins that we're rolling out, but the council offers a bulky uplift service, so folk can go online and pay for a bulky uplift up to 6 items, so they can pay for their fridges and that to be picked up from the door through that, and we go and collect there once a month from every area, so we have that option there for folk too.
That's brilliant. And how much stuff are you recycling every year that's electrical goods?
Well, roughly, probably recycle about 230 tonnes a year, which probably equates around about 37 Arctic trailers every year we send out, so
wow.
It's quite a lot of stuff.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, so hoping this increases a bit more.
Is the idea of this to cut down the amount of electrical items that are going out in the black bags?
Yeah, well, that's basically what it is, because we don't really know what electrical items are going to the black bags. It goes right to the incinerators. We have no way of capturing that, so hopefully these bins encourage more people to put electrical items in there, and then we can capture them then for recycling. So that's the idea.
Brilliant. Okay, so if people want to find out more about this, where can they go and where can they find more information?
Yeah, all the information is on the council website, so just visit there. Yeah, that's where to find it.
That's the best place to go.
Yep.
Thank you very much. Thanks for joining us for another edition of Climate Yarns.